In this video, I'm gonna show you how to synchronize your Vault with a QNAP NAS so that your credentials are securely backed up and available whenever you need them. Log into your QNAP NAS and go to Control Panel. Now in Network and File Services, look for WebDAV. Here it is. Go to Dedicated tab and click Enable. And apply. Now if you connect to port 5001, you will get this login screen. Type in your credentials. If you see this, it means that your WebDAV is working as expected. Don't worry about this error, it's completely fine. Now let's create a folder which will store our backups. In the control panel, go to Shared Folders and create a new one. Give it whatever name you want and make sure that your user has a read-write permission. You can disable all that and click Finish. We can close the panel for now and go to your newly created folder. That's it for this server configuration. Let's open up 2FAS Pass. Open up the app and go to Settings, Synchronization, and WebDAV. Now you need to type in all of this information, so server URL and your QNAP credentials. Once you do that, just click Connect, and everything should be ready. Let's go check out the folder. Refresh, and as you can see, backup files appeared. Everything works. Now whenever you lose your phone, you can just re-download the app on the new device and recover your credentials using WebDAV. If you need detailed recovery tutorial, we have one on our YouTube channel, link in the description. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have any questions, make sure to join our Discord server, link in the description, you can ask them there or in the comments section under this video. Subscribe and see you in the next tutorials.